Alright, part of our science and our art for today is going to be dyeing brown farm fresh eggs for Easter. We've only ever dyed white eggs, so we're going to try this out with the classic colors from Dudley's and using the classic way of dyeing Easter eggs, and we'll let you know how it all turns out. Okay, we have separated the eggs according to color. We have a medium color brown, a light brown, and a dark brown. Got all of our colors mixed up and we're ready for our eggs. So Caitlin, go ahead and start dipping. We're gonna put light eggs in first, the lightest colored eggs that we have. We're gonna put one in each color and we're gonna let them sit for 5 minutes. So here are the light colored eggs, the lightest colored brown eggs that we have, and that is using the instructions on the back just like the box said to do. But we let them all sit for 5 minutes. Here are the results. We've got light colored brown eggs, medium colored brown eggs, and the darker brown eggs. Alright, this is purple, light, medium, dark. This is pink, orange, there's yellow, this is green, and blue. Alright, here they all are. Good luck coloring Easter eggs.
Hope you have a fun Easter.